Happy New Year's! No, I thought it was exploding. Oh, is that what this stuff do? Is that what it does? Just flashlights. Next time, Mom, you help me out instead of saying, Ian. Happy New Year's, everybody. Everybody say Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year!
Say, everybody want to say Happy New Year's?
Happy New Year!
Hey, Mom, you want to say Happy New Year's?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! This is what
All right.
I got all them firecrackers. Airbag.
You missed you need to talk on the phone with your grandma then.
All right, I'll say Happy New Year's.
She late now, she was like sleep.
She went to sleep. Oh, man.
She in Atlanta.
She's in Atlanta.
Yeah, she in Atlanta with my cousin.
Oh, it's like 1 something.
So wait, when got up? I was on.
Yeah, so it's already 1
JJ,
o'clock.
can you light this up for me?
No, it's not 1 o'clock.
It's
No,
1 hour past.
It's like 2 hours ahead over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we on Central Time.
Okay, that makes sense.
You not coming?
No, Grandma Lynn isn't gonna be here for New Year's. She might come back during we go back to school.
Yeah, I was smoking today.
Man, this is awesome. Happy New Year's! Screw 2023! Worst year ever!